Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cecile. Ito yung mga ibang mga question ng ating mga kababayan na gustong umapply ng annulment dito sa Pilipinas. Yung iba guys kasi, pumupunta sila sa PAO or sa Public Attorney's Office para mag-seek ng help sa ating mga public attorney. May mga questions sila guys kung paano sila maging qualify sa PAO. Pero may mga qualification kasi guys kung hindi ka qualified, hindi ka makakakuha ng attorney. But if you are qualified, then makakakuha ka ng attorney from PAO. So, titignan din nila kung eligible ka na bibigyan ka ng attorney or not. So, ibibase nila yan sa income mo kung qualified ka for free services. Ito yung pangalawang question. Pwede bang mag-grant yung annulment ng incompatibility? Pag hindi compatible yung couple, mag-grant ba yung application mo ng annulment? Ito guys, under the law, annulment under Philippine law requires specific grounds that are legally recognized, such as psychological incapacity or fraud. Mere incompatibility is not a valid ground. So, hindi valid yung hindi kayo compatible. Hindi lang kasi yung mababaw na reason magkakaroon o mag-grant na yung annulment mo. Kasi, ano siya guys, meron siyang mga grounds ang application ng annulment. One of the example is yung psychological incapacity or fraud. Yung hindi compatible, hindi siya valid grounds. Okay? And then next question, ano daw yung duration ng annulment application dito sa Pilipinas? Okay, according to some of applicants ng annulment from before, ang duration niya, it can take 1 to 2 years or more. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng mas matagal pa. So, it all depends sa case mo, sa kung anong klaseng procedure or kung ano yung case mo ng ikaw at saka yung ex-wife or ex-husband mo. So, it can take more or it can take more years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years or more. It all depends on your case, and also it all depends on the lawyer, how he handled the case, right? So, yun guys, yung sagot doon sa tanong na yun. And then, ito pa, yung isang question. May free legal services ba sa mga OFW na gustong mag-seek ng annulment dito sa Pilipinas? Yes, meron. Meron silang, like us, may PAO din. Pwedeng mag-apply yung mga OFW natin ng legal consultation through PAO. So, they can apply through they can go to public attorney and get a free services. But then, pag nasa overseas ka nga, you have to go to the Overseas Worker Welfare and Administration para magkaroon ka ng free services if you are qualified. Alright? So, yung mga kababayan nating nasa abroad dyan, pwede po kayong mag-seek ng help from PAO sa ating public attorney dito sa Pilipinas. Eto, next question. Ano yung mga evidence na kailangan sa mga grounds kagaya ng psychological incapacity? Ano yung mga ebidensya? Ano yung mga kailangan i-prove sa psychological incapacity? Kasi madalas psychological incapacity ang grounds pag uma-apply ka ng annulment. Right? So, eto guys. Usually, yung medical psychological evaluation from accredited professionals na may mga testimonial from the witnesses. So, may mga witness ka na kung nag-apply ka ng annulment at yung grounds mo ay psychological incapacity, kailangan yung witness mo na kinuha mong witness ay kailangan i-proof nila na yung in-apply mo or the other parties ay nagkaroon nga ng may psychological incapacity nga. So, kailangan yung may medical record siya, may mga medical evaluation para ma-proof mo na yung ex-wife or ex-husband ay mayroon nga psychological incapacity. So, kailangan ng evaluation, kailangan ng proof na i-declare ng yung witnesses from your marriage. Alam nila yung mga documents, may mga documents sila na ipo-proof na yun nga, merong psychological incapacity. Okay. Yung ibang mga question, guys, sa isang video ko, nasagot ko yung ibang mga question ninyo. This is actually a short, quick video for all of you guys who are watching, especially those Filipino kapwa nating kababayan natin na nasa ibang bansa. You guys can apply and seek help from our public attorney here in the Philippines so you can get a free services if you are qualified for to get a public attorney in the Philippines. So there's also a qualification, so you guys can go to OWA for you to get the information and everything that you needed. So anyways, guys, I'll see you guys again sa aking next video. Thank you. Bye.